Come test drive the 2020 Compass. This vehicle is powered by a 4-wheel drive, 4-cylinder, 2.4-liter engine and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 15,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, premium wheels, brake assist, traction control, anti-lock braking system, remote keyless entry, 4-wheel disc brakes, driver's side remote mirror, speed control, power brakes. Inside you'll find backup camera, keyless entry, premium sound system, low tire pressure warning, cruise control, trip computer, power outlets, power door locks, power windows, power steering. The Jeep Compass has a solid, sophisticated 16-valve engine. It features electronic variable valve timing that continually changes the torque curve, bringing more versatility to the 165 peak pound-feet of torque and more capability to the 172 peak horsepower. Come see the car for yourself.
This is a one-owner vehicle with a CARFAX Vehicle History Report. Be sure to find a complimentary copy of this report online or contact the dealership. This vehicle qualifies for the CARFAX Buyback Guarantee.